Alright? This is a very simple solo. What I played after my first month in studying guitar. Wow. I'm going to teach you just one solo and you are going to be blessed in the key of A. And I'll be sharing a link to a backing track you can practice with. I know you can't see my fingers here, but don't worry. Just follow the notes as I present them on the neck diagram and you will be good to go. So, do, re, mi, re, fa, mi, re, do, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, so, fa, learn this one in the G shape and then the E and then D shape of A. If you become my student for just a month, there are certain things you need to play. For just a month, every student of mine should be able to play a beautiful lick like this. My students, you should know this in the key of A. So, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, si. Fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, si. Fa, mi, re, do. Yes. So, do, re, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, re, do. Fa, mi, re, is very simple. At least you should be able to play within the E shape and then the D shape. I'm in the key of A and I'm playing 1, 6, 2, 5 in A, which is A, F sharp minor, B minor, E. In case you are looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a maestro, with a pro, hey, pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. My name is Spratz. I'm Reverend George and I'm in town. Okay, let me do it on the backing track.